In today's video, I'll show you how to add a date slider in Tableau, a simple yet powerful tool that lets users explore data across different time periods. It's perfect for analyzing trends and making your dashboard more interactive. Let's get started. Open Tableau in your browser and log into your account. If you are new, go ahead and sign up. It only takes a couple of minutes. Once you're in, open your existing workbook or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Now head over to the data pane and find the date field you want to use. For example, order date or any other date column in your dataset. Drag that field onto the filter shelf. This tells Tableau you want to filter your data using that specific date. A dialog box will pop up with filter options. Choose range of dates. Since we want a slider that lets users adjust between start and end points, click OK to apply the filter. Next, let's display it as a slider. Locate your date filter on the filters shelf. Right-click it and select Show Filter. Tableau automatically add a date slider to your worksheet. Now you can easily move the slider to focus on any date range you want, giving viewers a smooth, interactive way to explore your data. And that's it. You've successfully added a date slider in Tableau. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in how people engage with your dashboards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Click Tableau tutorials.